Very good morning to one and all. Myself, Mr. Mahbudur Rahman from Kekewa College of Food Engineering. Today, I will cover a topic scientist P. Pfizer, Salman Waxman theory, instrumentation and their control physical and chemical parameter. So, start from the theory of scientist P. Pfizer. The commercial production of penicillin that was introduced by P. Pfizer. Penicillin is the secondary metabolic of the fungus Penicillium. It usually takes 40 hours for the commercial production, during which the exponential cell growth, as well as we can say that sodium phenyl acetate that is used as a precursor and the nutrient medium that will be used for the production is nutrient glucose of corn steep liquor, as well as we can say that it usually takes 40 hours for the commercial production, during which the exponential cell growth occurs within the first 6 hours, after which the cell density increases and production of penicillin commences. Now, uh, come on next slide. P. Pfizer is named after German American cousin Charles P. Pfizer and Charles F. Erhard. Charles P. Pfizer and Company from a building at the intersection of Harrison Avenue and Bartlett Street in Williamsburg, Brooklyn in 1849. There they produce an antiparasitic called Santonin. So this was an immediate success, although it was the production of citric acid that really kick started Pfizer growth in 1880s. Pfizer continued to buy property to expand its lab and factory on the block bounded by Bartlett Street. By 1906, sales totaled $3.4 million. World War First caused a shortage of calcium citrate that Pfizer imported from Italy, as well as we can say that fermentation technology also developed by Pfizer for the production of citric acid from from this source in 1919. These skills were applied to the mass production of the antibiotic penicillin during World War II in response to the need of US government to treat injured Allied soldiers. And in 1940s, penicillin became very expensive. As a result, Pfizer searched for new antibiotic with greater profit potential. Pfizer discovery and commercialization of terramycin oxytetracycline in 1950 and changed the company from a manufacturer of fine chemicals to research-based pharmaceutical company. So the history of Pfizer, as well as in 1958 Pfizer had established offices in Belgium, Brazil, Canada, Cuba, Iran, Mexico, Panama, Puerto Rico, Turkey and United Kingdom. And in 1960, company moved its to medical research laboratory operation out of New York City to new facility in Grattan. During the 1980s and 1990s, Pfizer Corporation growth was sustained by the discovery and marketing of Zoloft, Litter, Norvasc, and Viagra. So this is all about the history of Pfizer. Now come on the theory of Salman Abraham Waxman. Salman Abraham Waxman, born on July 22, 1888, and died 16 August 1973. He was an Arcanian and born There, Jewish American inventor, biochemist, and microbiologist whose research into organic substances, largely into organisms that live in soil and their decomposition, promoted the discovery of streptomycin and several other antibiotics. A professor of biochemistry and microbiology at Rutgers University for 4 decades, he discovered over 20 antibiotics and introduced procedures that have led to the development of medicine. And in 1952, he was awarded through Nobel Prize for his discovery of streptomycin. Salman Waxman was later accused of fraud by Albert Schweitzer, a PhD student who did the work under Waxman's supervision to discover streptomycin. It was the Rutgers that Waxman team discovered several antibiotics, like for example actinomycin, glycine, neomycin, cannabis, and many more. Two of these, streptomycin and neomycin, have found extensive application in the treatment of numerous infectious diseases. Streptomycin was the first antibiotic that could be used to cure the disease tuberculosis. Waxman is credited with coining the term antibiotic to describe the compound and in 1871 to describe a substance opposed to the development of. Many awards and honors were showered on Waxman after 1940. Salman Waxman died on August 16, 1973 and was interred at the Crowell Cemetery in Woods Hole. His tombstone is inscribed simply as Salman Abraham Waxman. Scientists followed by his date of birth and death. The earth will open and bring forth salvation in Hebrew and English. He was the father of Baron Waxman, involved in multiple sclerosis research, as well as we can say that the use of various enzymes in detergent and the use of Concord grapefruit stock to protect the French vineyards from fungal infection. Waxman had been studying the Streptomyces families of organisms since his college student days and had for time been studying the organism Streptomyces gracilis, and streptomycin was isolated from S. gracilis and found effective against tuberculosis. Neomycin is derived from the actinomyces and was discovered by Waxman and Hubbard. Controversy with streptomycin. The details and credit for the discovery of streptomycin and its usefulness as antibiotics were strongly contested by scholars, eventually leading to litigation. Waxman and Rutgers settled out of court with scholars, resulting in financial remuneration and entitlement to legal and scientific credit as co-discoverer of streptomycin. Systematic experiment to test several strains of antibiotic against several different diseases was discovered by scientist Salman Waxman. The bacteria which produce the antibiotic streptomycin that was discovered by Scars in the farmland outside his lab and tested by him. Waxman, however, eventually came to claim so credit. So this is all about the theory of scientist Salman Waxman. Now come on the next point, instrumentation and their control in fermentation industry, physical parameter. Instrumentation and their control, it is very important during the time of the fermentation process because the part to maintaining optimum condition in byproduct formation. Few parameters like for example pH, oxygen and temperature are controlled in complex environment. It needs to control these things during the time when our fermentation process or our byproduct formation occurs. So measurement during fermentation, during the time of the fermentation or when our bioreactor occur, we should stand steam sterilization temperature, that is 121 degrees Celsius. Similarly, the probes also must be resistant to chemical in the case of the chemical sterilization. So temperature, it measure device, that is thermostat, are resistant. Thermometer, thermistors are used when small size and rapid response are required. Pressure, its measuring device is diaphragm. Gauge pressure is regulated by simple bag. Agitator shaft power, it measures in device is wattmeter or strain gauge are used in bench or pilot scale. Form, rate, flow rate, liquid, these will also be measured through various devices. Form, it is measuring device that is rubber sheeted electrode, and flow rate, it is measuring device that is measured through rotameter in case of gases, and in case of liquid it is measured through our load cell magnetic inductive meters, and level is measured through load cell to measure amount of liquor in vessel. Viscosity is measuring device, it is measured through rotational viscometer. Turbidity, its measuring device is photometer. So all these parameters are monitored during the time when we handling our fermentation process. Another is metabolic parameter. With the structured model of product formation, it is possible to examine the effect of metabolic parameter of various enzyme pathway. So we will see that which needs biosensor parameter is also necessary to controlling physical environment, chemical environment, as well as to control the bioreactor environment. So these are the approach, possible measuring devices, and their comments. Insertable probes, it possible measuring devices and compound monitors, O2 probes, ion sensitive electrode, redox electrodes, okay, and comments fairly reliable cross sensitivity, measure partial pressure. Oxygen is known as have important physiological effect. Another is exit gas analyzer, paramagnetic analyzer is a possible measuring device, and these instruments are especially for measurement of these specific gases and measurement from liquid ship stream, that is CO2, and highly specific, rapid and accurate. Highly specific compound need not to be volatile. Rapid, specific but expensive. So these are all about our approaches, possible measuring devices. Okay, thank you for listening.